How to get 18 plus million views on Instagram. Hey there, social media enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to help you grow your online presence. Today, we're going to talk about how to get 18 plus million views on Instagram. Yes, you read that right. 18 million views. It's not impossible, and we're going to show you how to achieve it. To get started, you'll need to open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now go to your profile picture and tap the 3 horizontal lines, or the hamburger icon. Then, tap Settings, and then Activity. In the Activity section, scroll down to Account Privacy and tap on it. Now toggle the switch next to Notifications to On. This will allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. By allowing public photos and videos to appear in search engine results, your content will be more likely to be recommended on Google. This means that people who are searching for topics related to your niche will be able to find your content and potentially become new followers. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can increase your chances of getting 18 plus million views on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks. See you in the next video.